Turn your DEBIX Model A into a powerful webcam streamer with Crowsnest, a lightweight, versatile demon perfect for network monitoring. Let's start with the hardware. Connect the USB camera to any available USB port on the Model A. Plug in the Ethernet cable to connect the board to your local network. Finally, connect the power supply and power it on. Now, let's install Crowsnest. For network installation, you'll first need Git. Clone Crowsnest and navigate to its directory. Next, modify resources/crowsnest.conf. Set delete_log to true. No_proxy to true. Change port to 8554. Device to /dev/video2. And resolution to 1920 by 1080 for a clearer view. Then, run the installation. After the installation completes, it's essential to reboot Model A for the changes to take effect. After reboot, verify Crowsnest is running. Active, running, means you're all set. If not, check logs. Now, let's see your webcam stream. On a PC on the same network, open a browser and enter your Model A's IP address and configure port. There it is, a live webcam stream from your DEBIX Model A. Crowsnest is versatile. With a public IP, enjoy remote access. Plus, it supports multiple cameras for comprehensive surveillance. Subscribe to our channel for more guides.